Have you ever met someone who seems completely unfazed by life's chaos? Someone who walks through the world with a cool, calm demeanor while everyone else is stressing out or trying too hard? You might have come across a Sigma male. They aren't seeking the spotlight, they don't follow the crowd, and their laid-back, nonchalant attitude only makes them more irresistible. But why is it that women in particular find this attitude so attractive? What is it about a Sigma male's indifference that drives women absolutely crazy? If you're a Sigma male or think you might have those traits, this video is for you. Today, we'll uncover the psychology behind why the Sigma male's nonchalant approach works so well. We're going to explore the reasons why women are drawn to men who don't seem to care as much, and why sometimes caring less is the ultimate power move. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only have a deeper understanding of the Sigma mindset, but you'll also learn how to leverage this quiet power to your advantage. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Number 1. The power of detachment. Let's start with the basics. One of the defining traits of a Sigma male is his detachment. Now, this doesn't mean that he's emotionally unavailable or cold. On the contrary, Sigma males are often deeply introspective and in tune with their emotions, but they don't let their emotions control them. They've mastered the art of detachment, which is incredibly powerful. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about anything or anyone. It simply means you're not dependent on external validation or approval to feel good about yourself. Sigma males are comfortable in their own skin, and they don't need to impress anyone to feel whole. This kind of self-sufficiency is rare, and women notice it instantly. In a world where people are constantly trying to one-up each other, seeking attention and approval through social media, or trying to fit into predefined roles, a Sigma male's detachment stands out. He's not playing the same game as everyone else, and that's where the attraction starts. Women are often used to being pursued by men who are eager to please, men who try too hard to get their attention. The Sigma male's nonchalance is a breath of fresh air. He's not chasing anyone. He doesn't need to, and that in itself makes him intriguing. Number 2. Confidence without the ego. Confidence is undeniably attractive, but here's the thing. There are different types of confidence. Alpha males, for example, often display a loud, dominant form of confidence that demands attention. Sigma males, on the other hand, have a quiet, understated confidence that is equally powerful, if not more so. Sigma males exude confidence without the ego. They don't need to prove their worth by boasting or showing off. They know their value, and they're perfectly fine with keeping it to themselves. This quiet confidence is magnetic. Women are drawn to men who don't feel the need to constantly assert their dominance because deep down, it signals true self-assurance. When a Sigma male enters a room, he doesn't need to announce his presence. His energy speaks for itself. Women notice this kind of confidence because it feels authentic. He's not trying to impress anyone, and paradoxically, that's exactly what makes him so impressive. Confidence without ego is rare, and it's a trait that many find irresistible. A man who's comfortable with who he is, without needing to prove it to anyone else, is someone worth paying attention to. Number 3. The mystery factor. Now let's talk about mystery. One of the most alluring traits of a Sigma male is his ability to remain a mystery. He doesn't reveal too much about himself right away. He's not an open book, and that makes him endlessly intriguing. There's something about a man who doesn't immediately put everything on the table. It sparks curiosity. Women are naturally drawn to mystery because it challenges them. It makes them want to learn more, to dig deeper, and to uncover what's beneath the surface. This intrigue can be intoxicating. Sigma males aren't withholding information to play games or manipulate people. They simply have a deep sense of privacy and self-awareness. They don't feel the need to explain themselves or overshare. They know that mystery is seductive because it invites people to come closer, to peel back the layers one at a time. By maintaining an air of mystery, Sigma males keep people intrigued. They're not predictable, and that unpredictability is exciting. Women are drawn to the challenge of trying to understand a man who doesn't reveal everything right away. The chase becomes part of the attraction. Number 4. Independence is irresistible. Independence is one of the cornerstones of the Sigma male's character. He thrives on self-reliance. While many people rely on relationships, social circles, or external factors for their sense of identity, a Sigma male is fully comfortable being on his own. He doesn't need anyone to complete him, and that independence is deeply attractive. Women are naturally drawn to men who have their own lives, their own goals, and their own sense of purpose. A Sigma male isn't looking for someone to complete him. He's already complete. This independence allows him to approach relationships from a place of strength rather than neediness. Think about it. There's something incredibly attractive about someone who doesn't need you but chooses to be with you because they genuinely want to. It's not about filling a void. It's about connection on equal terms. Sigma males offer that kind of connection because they aren't dependent on anyone else for their happiness. Independence also means that Sigma males are less likely to engage in codependent or unhealthy relationships. They don't fall into the trap of constantly seeking approval or validation from their partner. This creates a dynamic where both parties can thrive as individuals rather than becoming entangled in a relationship that's based on need. Number 5. Emotional control and composure. Another key element of the Sigma male's nonchalant attitude is his emotional control. He's not easily rattled by life's challenges or by the behavior of others. While many people react emotionally to stressful situations, the Sigma male remains calm, collected, and composed. This emotional composure is incredibly attractive because it signals strength and resilience. Women are drawn to men who can keep their cool in difficult situations. It's a sign of maturity and emotional intelligence. Sigma males don't allow their emotions to control them, and this gives them a sense of stability that many find irresistible. Think about the last time you saw someone completely lose their composure in public. It's not an attractive sight, is it? Now think about someone who handles a stressful situation with grace and calmness. That kind of emotional control is magnetic because it shows that the person is in control of their life. Sigma males are not emotionally detached. They simply have a high degree of self-awareness. They understand their emotions, but they don't let those emotions dictate their actions. This balance between emotional intelligence and composure creates a sense of security, which is highly attractive in any relationship. Number 6. The art of not chasing. Here's where things get interesting. Sigma males don't chase after women, and it's not because they're uninterested or emotionally unavailable. It's because they understand that genuine attraction and connection cannot be forced. When a man constantly chases after a woman, it can come across as needy or desperate. But when a Sigma male takes a step back and allows things to unfold naturally, it signals confidence. He's not trying to prove himself to anyone, and that nonchalant attitude only makes women more intrigued. The art of not chasing doesn't mean being passive or disinterested. It simply means that a Sigma male isn't going to compromise his values or bend over backward to seek validation. He lets his actions and energy speak for themselves. This creates a dynamic where women feel like they are choosing the Sigma male, rather than being pursued relentlessly. And guess what? That makes them want him even more. By not chasing, the Sigma male creates space for genuine connection to happen organically. And when a woman realizes that she's with a man who isn't trying to manipulate or control the situation, it only deepens the attraction. Number 7. Unwavering purpose and ambition. One of the most attractive qualities of a Sigma male is his unwavering sense of purpose. He's not drifting through life aimlessly. He has goals, ambitions, and a clear direction for where he's headed. This kind of focus and determination is incredibly appealing because it shows that the Sigma male is driven by something greater than himself. Purpose and ambition are attractive because they signal that a man has a reason for getting up in the morning. He's working towards something, whether it's personal growth, a career goal, or a passion project. Women are drawn to men who are passionate about their lives because that passion is contagious. But here's the thing. Sigma males don't brag about their ambitions. They simply pursue them quietly and relentlessly. They let their actions speak louder than their words. This quiet dedication is far more attractive than someone who constantly talks about what they're going to do but never takes action. Sigma males also understand the importance of balance. While they're deeply committed to their purpose, they also know how to enjoy life and stay grounded. This balance between ambition and mindfulness makes them incredibly well-rounded, and it's another reason why their nonchalant attitude is so attractive. Number 8. Subtle leadership qualities. Even though Sigma males don't seek the spotlight, they have natural leadership qualities that often make them stand out. Unlike alpha males, who tend to take charge in an overt, dominating way, Sigma males lead with subtlety. They don't need to assert their dominance, but people naturally gravitate toward them because of their calm, decisive energy. Leadership, in this case, isn't about barking orders or being the loudest person in the room. It's about leading by example. Sigma males are confident in their abilities and they make decisions with clarity and purpose. This quiet form of leadership is attractive because it shows strength without arrogance. Women are often drawn to men who can take charge without being overbearing. A Sigma male's ability to lead with calm confidence creates a sense of security, which is incredibly appealing. Whether it's in their personal life or career, Sigma males are natural problem solvers, and their ability to navigate life with ease only adds to their allure. Number 9. Authenticity in relationships. When it comes to relationships, Sigma males value authenticity above all else. They're not interested in playing games or putting on a facade. What you see is what you get. This level of honesty is rare, and it's one of the reasons why women find Sigma males so attractive. Sigma males are deeply introspective, and they spend a lot of time understanding themselves. As a result, they bring a level of self-awareness into their relationships that many find refreshing. They're not trying to be someone they're not, and this authenticity creates a strong foundation for deep, meaningful connections. In a world where so many people are trying to conform to societal expectations, the Sigma male's authenticity is like a breath of fresh air. Women are drawn to men who are unapologetically themselves, and Sigma males embody that ideal. Number 10. Emotional intelligence and understanding. While Sigma males may appear detached on the surface, they possess a high degree of emotional intelligence. They understand their own emotions and are also highly empathetic toward others. This emotional awareness allows them to connect with people on a deeper level without becoming overly emotionally involved in every situation. This balance of emotional intelligence and independence creates an attractive dynamic. Women are drawn to men who can understand and validate their emotions without being overwhelmed by them. Sigma males offer a steady, grounded presence that provides a sense of security, and this emotional depth only adds to their allure. In conclusion, the Sigma male's nonchalant attitude isn't about being disinterested or uncaring. It's about confidence, independence, and emotional control. These traits create a powerful combination that women find deeply attractive. Sigma males don't need to chase anyone because they know their value. And that quiet self-assurance speaks louder than any words ever could. So what do you think? Do you see yourself as having Sigma male traits? How old were you when you've noticed these characteristics in yourself? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Thank you for watching.